In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoice in HoneyBook. Get paid faster 2026. First, open your browser and head to honeybook.com. This is where everything starts. If you're not already signed in, log into your HoneyBook account using your credentials. If you're prompted for any security verification, go ahead and complete it. This keeps your account secure and ensures your client data stays protected. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your home base. Recent activity, projects, and quick links all live here. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation menu. This sidebar is where you'll find the tools you'll use most often. Click on Files. This opens a centralized area for all your documents, proposals, contracts, and of course, invoices. In the Files view, select Invoice. If you've already created invoices, you'll see them listed here. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new invoice from scratch, or start from a template to save time and keep your branding consistent. Templates are especially helpful if you send similar invoices regularly. Now, find the invoice you've already created and click it to open. Take a moment to review everything carefully before sending. Make sure the client is correctly attached, and confirm key details like line items, quantities, prices, and due dates. If you use payment schedules, check that installments and dates look correct. Verify that taxes, discounts, and currency are set the way you expect. A quick scan now can prevent confusion later and helps your client pay without delays. When everything looks good, click Share at the top right. In the Share window, you'll see an option for client verification. Turning this on will prompt your client to enter a verification code when they sign or make a payment, adding an extra layer of security and helping ensure the right person is completing the transaction. Next, fill in the email to field with your client's email address. You can add a short message to provide context, like a thank you note or a reminder of what the invoice covers. Clear communication builds trust and often speeds up payment. If everything is set, click Send. Your client will receive an email with a secure link to view the invoice and pay online. That's it. Simple, professional, and fast. For best results, always review before sending and keep your invoice descriptions clear so clients know exactly what they're paying for.